Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about what's inside of my skincare fridge. So these are all the products that I have in my makeup fridge. As you guys can see, I have them all set up from top to bottom. So for my first product, I have the Garnier Skin Active. This is a cleansing water and it helps remove makeup. So I like to use this after I use my makeup wipe. I have the Urban Decay setting spray, and this setting spray, it helps keep your makeup in place, and not only that, it helps to keep your skin dehydrated as well. Is the Tarte setting spray. This one is also really good for hydration skin as well. For this product, it's called Obey Your Body. So what you do is you use a little bit of the ointment onto your skin, you just rub it in, and it helps take off all those dirty little excess oil. So this is my number one facial wash. So it's called the Microdelivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. So it's good to use once or twice a day, and it helps clean all those dirty oils that are left in your face, and especially makeup as well. For exfoliating your lips, I like to use the Colourpop called By the Bushel, and this is really good to help scrub your lips. My next all-time favorite is Botanics Facial Oil. I like to use this before applying foundation, and not only that, it's really good to also use if you have dry skin after exfoliating your face. My next all-time favorite is the coconut oil. I like to use this after I shower because it helps smoothen my skin. So if you have chicken skin like I do, this literally helps a lot to smooth it all out, and you won't even feel a thing, not even little bumps at all. So these are all the products that you can actually put in your makeup fridge, and it'll help cool it down, especially during summertime. So I hope this helped you guys out. And these are also my all-time faves, so if you guys want to go ahead and try these out, be sure to let me know how you guys liked it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. So be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and also thank you guys for following if you already have. Stay tuned for new videos. I'll be uploading once or twice a week, and so see you guys next time. Bye.